Tell you what guys, this salad dressing is next level. So the first salad dressing that we're gonna be making is an apple cider vinaigrette. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. We got half a tablespoon of mustard, a quarter cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and then we just have salt and pepper here to taste. It's not really a measurement, but it's about half a teaspoon total for both. So what we're gonna wanna do is add all of these into our mixing bowl and get to mixing them up. And the last ingredient that I forgot is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And if you don't have maple syrup, you can use sugar or agave. So now we're gonna just mix these up. All right guys, and that is our apple cider vinaigrette right there. All right, on to the next dressing. Now this one is going to be a tahini dressing. And of course we got some tahini right here, and I got 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. So the first thing you wanna do is add the tahini into a bowl. I'm gonna add some of the orange juice in here and try and get the rest of it out. All right, and we add the rest of the orange juice in there. And then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. And then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Now that we got all our ingredients in a bowl, all we gotta do is mix them up. And that is our tahini dressing. You can always add a little bit more tahini if you wanna make it thicker. And if it's obviously too thick, you can add a little bit of hot water. This one seems to be perfect consistency for me. So now the hard part is here. We gotta figure out which one of these dressings we're gonna use for our salad. All right, so as you can see here, I got a nice little salad filled with baby kale, red cabbage, white cabbage, some peppers, some walnuts, and I went with the tahini dressing. This is the one I chose to put on here, so I'm just gonna put it all over here. And you guys can store these in the fridge. They'll last for about 5 to 6 days. And make sure you put them in an airtight container. All right, time to take a taste test. All right guys, so I tried to do a taste test and it was way too windy, as you can see from the footage that I'm putting on the screen right now. But I did try the tahini dressing and it was tangy, it was creamy, and the hint of the cumin in there made it very, very tasty. So I definitely recommend you guys to try these 2 dressings. I got them out of the Plant-Based on a Budget book. And I love that book because there's so many great recipes on there and they don't break the bank and they're very cheap and affordable foods that they use. Unfortunately, I didn't have all of the ingredients that was required in the recipes, so I just kind of modified them to my own. Like, it asked for lemon juice and I did orange juice instead, and I think that turned out very tasty. But you guys can do your own thing, take these dressings and modify them however you guys want, and as long as you have the base of the sauce, you should be fine. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!